Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a high protein turkey and cheese melt for you guys out there that are trying to bulk. So here we go. We already buttered the bread on the inside and we already preheated and buttered our griddle. The next step is putting 6 slices of, we're using turkey, onto the bread. This is an important part because it needs to be a lot of turkey because turkey is full of protein.
And actually, I want to spread it out. So, Mamadou, can you put a piece of cheese on right there? So then we spread out the diversity of the meat and cheese. You know?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so now, one more piece. And that is all done.
Then you cover it up. And then, because we here at Learn From Others don't want to try harder, we want to be smarter. Wait, how did it go? It goes like,
try hard.
No. Work smarter, not harder. So that's why we already preheated our griddle and put butter on the griddle while we were buttering the bread. And
Off
now,
camera.
yeah. And now we just wait.
You don't want to move it over, like you don't want to, make it all weird looking. So it's going to want to keep on flipping it. Press it down a little bit if you want. The video that we watched, they actually used a different thing, but we're just using this. This is actually toasting pretty quick. You probably want to keep this on there for a minute, or probably around 2 minutes. We have it on 350, and then we're going to keep it on there for 2 minutes. So you're just going to keep on flipping it. Well, actually, I'm going to leave it on this side because it's a little uncooked. But
Should probably do it where the butter is.
Huh?
Should probably do it where the butter is.
No. The butter was over there. We're all good. So fun. You good, Mom? How's life?
I'm good.
How's your stocks?
Actually, I was doing great yesterday with my stocks, and then today happened.
What's wrong with today?
Ooh, they all dropped for some reason. I was on a roll.
You know, it also dropped Kendrick's 3-point percentage.
If you guys didn't know, Kendrick plays basketball.
And he's terrible. Absolutely terrible. He's not even a starter on our varsity team. So, yeah, he's over there like going on he's kind of upset behind the camera. Mom, do you reckon this is done?
Yes, I do.
Alright, so that we're just going to set right there. And Mamadou, would you like to be taste testing our sandwich today?
Yes, I will. And take the first bite. I'm good.
Actually,
It's actually good. That's actually really good. The cheese is nothing too.
really?
Do you want
So-
to?
Now that you guys know, this sandwich is actually really good to Mamadou. This has, I think, wasn't it around like 30 grams of protein for one sandwich?
Yes, it was at 30 grams of protein.
And I think it was around 70 carbs. I think around 700 calories, which I don't think is too bad. I eat around 2,000. But
So for those of you guys bulking out there, don't forget that you learned this information from Learn From Others. And the best way to learn is by learning from others.
Yeah.